What is trend line? Trend line is a line on the chart which helps us to identify the trend, whether uptrend or downtrend, simply and correctly. If we connect at least two major tops together, therefore we will have a downtrend line. It becomes three tops, more reliable it will be then. On the other side, by connecting at least two or three bottoms together, we will have an uptrend line. By identifying trend lines, we will profit more from the market because we are able to predict with a high percent that which direction the price will move. Always we should align ourselves to the trend. As it is said, trend is your friend. Let's digress a little from the main topic and see what is impulsive and retracement or corrective waves, because we need some information to explain trend line correctly. But later, separately, within another video, I will extensively talk about impulsive and corrective waves. So what is impulsive and corrective waves? For example, assume that the price moved like this. This one and this line. These three lines, are impulsive. It means that the price moves forward or alongside the dominant trend of the market. For example, if we are in an uptrend, these three waves are moving in the same direction as the market moves. And these three waves, this one, and this one, these three waves are called retracement or corrective waves. The same thing happens for the downtrend, formed by connecting these two bottoms together, as this, as here. This is our uptrend line. And for the downtrend, again we have this movement of the price. This is a downtrend. Again, this wave, and this wave, these three waves are our impulsive waves. This one, and this one. These are our impulsive waves. And these three waves called retracement or corrective waves. Now let's take a look at real chart. This is the chart of Euro USD at time frame daily. Here we have 1, 2, and 3 bottoms. By connecting these three bottoms together, we will have our uptrend line. Here is what you see. This is our uptrend line. And how to trade with the uptrend line? Let's zoom in. By touching the last candle to the trend line, this is the last candle which touches the trend line. Our trigger will be here. Our trigger will be here, a little above the high price of this candle. The more lowest candle which touches the trend line. Here will be our trigger. And we will place our position of buy stop here. This zone is a warning zone from the close to the low of the candle. This is our warning zone. And when the price closes below here, for example here, it means that our uptrend is being finished. And our stop loss will be here. Again here, at this place, this red candle which closely touch the trend line. Our trigger will be here, a little above the high price of this candle here. Here will be our trigger. And where is our stop loss? We place our stop loss here, below this red candle. Let's move forward. Here again, the candle touches the trend line. This is our warning zone. This is our warning zone. Our stop loss will be here, and our buy stop will be here. Here is our buy stop. Let's move forward. At this point, the price has broken out the trend line, our uptrend line. But we should pay attention that this breakout is not false, it's true. How we can recognize that this breakout is true? Passing this red candle which closes below the trend line. This is our warning zone. If the next candle's price closes below this warning zone, it means that our uptrend is going to finish. Yeah, here as you can see, our next candle's price closes here. As you can see, this is the close of the next candle. Closes here, below the warning zone. So we conclude that our uptrend is finished and the downtrend will start in the market. So if we want to place a position, we should place a sell position here, below this candle, below the lowest price of this candle here, right here. Here will be our position of sell. And here, as you can see, the price moves down. After the uptrend is being finished, the downtrend is starting. By connecting this top and this top and this top, at least, as I said, at least two tops. By connecting these three tops together, we will have our downtrend line. Here, as you can see, this is our downtrend line. This top, and this top. We connect these three tops together. And how to trade on the downtrend line. Here, assume this red candle here, this one. Our warning zone will be here. This is our warning zone. This level will be our warning zone, and our sell stop will be here below the lowest price of the red candle here. Here is our sell stop. And our stop loss will be here, a little above the warning zone. And the price moves down. Again, here, here. Again, price touches the trend line. Our warning zone will be here. This is our warning zone. This is our warning zone. Our sell stop will be here, below the lowest price of this candle, and our stop loss will be here. This is our stop loss. Let's move forward, and here. Here we see no red candles. This is our last candle which is near the trend line. And if we want to place a sell position here, let's place a sell position. This is our warning zone. This is our below. Here is our sell position, sell stop, and our stop loss is below here, a little above the warning zone. As you can see, the price will not touch our position, and our position will not be activated. So here, as you can see, the price with a big and long green marble breaks out the trend line of downtrend and goes up. The price is pulling up. And here, as you can see, an uptrend again forms. Thank you very much guys for watching and for taking your time on this video. I hope that we're useful for you all. Again, if you haven't subscribed us yet, subscribe us and hit the like button. Have a good luck and good trade.